Hello. Happy Saturday. On a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How everything. Now one matter carry me come on. This our sister. He call me on no be small matter. This one and another case totally. Now this thing wey I want to even put this matter now because the matter e get as the matter take come because na two ladies wey be say they dey the same place and they dey sell for Ogida market. Yes, Ogida market. So e say they come, the two of them dey close. So im sister come dey in labour. Na im dey come call am say your sister dey labour o, abeg they need your at ten tion since im husband no dey travel. Na im this our sister come tell the other one wey dey near am, tell am say abeg o my sister, abeg help me look my shop o. They say my sister dey rush am go hospital make I go meet am, she dey labour. Then help me look things wey dey my shop. He say na she come run enter inside her shop. He say because the other woman still dey leave something for am, he go help am sell. He say he come enter inside shop, he come count the money wey dey there. Say money wey dey inside the shop na almost 30,000 naira. He say he come hold 20,000 naira for am, come leave 10,000 naira for shop. So na im she comot. He say after him with him sister don born, so the younger one don come stay hospital with am. Him come say okay make him go back to shop so that evening don dey come, him go fit close, see cook, take things go cook for him sister. So he say him reach shop o, him enter where him dey put money, money no dey. The one wey you sell nko, he say nobody don sell. 10,000 wey I leave nko, he say he no see money. Person enter my shop, he say person no enter. I leave 10,000 naira for this place. I get 30, I take 20,000 comot. I leave 10,000 naira here. Where manage this money come take dey miss now? He say the woman don dey shout o. The woman don dey shout o. He don dey call market people say see good wey him do wan turn to bad something. Person person leave shop for am, nobody come buy something from around that kind 11 o'clock in the morning till around that kind 4 wey this woman take come, you no sell anything. Money no put, you know, no be 5 naira you sell. Then the 10,000 wey dey, e no dey. He say the woman dey accuse am o, that's why no dey help people. They really just dey talk. He say no do. Na the other one woman come say when my own happen I talk, nobody lis ten to me. This same woman the day wey I say make him help me look shop, say I dey come make I go carry pikin for school. He say na so the whole money wey dey in shop make show. He say he talk, the woman say him go draw am go anywhere. He say since he know say him leave money, but he no know that na the woman take am, person enter carry the money. Say the woman say wan carry am go Ayelala make they go swear. Say no fit. And this woman na all those people wey dey start juju well. The other woman come say no come go. This one come say now wetin him go do? Make him dey go the Ayelala make they go swear. See, because he know say leave 10,000, but wetin him dey fear right now na the woman take abi person enter the shop, the woman no know, abi na this woman na him carry this money, he no come know. But him dey sure say he leave 10,000. He no even dey talk whether the woman sell or he no sell. But the 10,000 naira wey he leave for inside him shop now just miss like that. This woman say nobody enter the shop. He no comot, he sit down for there say nobody enter the shop. Now you no sell, nobody enter shop, 10,000 naira don lost. How we wan take do am? The woman say hey, he wan carry this woman go Ayelala o. Say this woman go sue Ayelala for am o. This woman go sue Ayelala for am o, for this Ogida market abi na how he call am. He say this woman go swear ayelala for am o. Hey, na he say many people don call am tell am say no go swear o, na you even though say na your thing na im loss. So people come dey tell this our sister say make e no follow this woman say e wan go swear o. Say whether e dey right or e dey wrong, either she fall sick or something go happen o. Say because this woman, whether na witch she no let them know, but they know say na person wey dey serve all this juju. Everybody wey with am get problem, na one problem to the another. That say na mouth wey na so money matter, that say na mouth wey you say e lose, you go use am treat. Sometimes na the person pikin go come go attack, sometimes na the person himself go fall sick. You go sell it. He say people call the time say make him no go. He say but he believe himself. Say yes, that kind of money dey there. Now, he say one ask whether make him go join this woman go swear for that ayelala, abi make him just let 10,000 just go like that. Make him carry on with him life. But the most thing wey him dey fear now, he say this shop now wey this woman do like this, he wan pack comot for the shop. He say because he no know whether the woman don do something for inside him shop. Because the other woman, na so he do that one close him shop, that one shop wreck. He no know that make him pack it is comot go carry another shop or make him continue for there. Say but he don use anointing oil spray for the shop. He say but this woman now wetin he wan do he no know. Whether make him go swear abi make him pray just leave everything for God, abi wetin him go do make him comot for the shop. Because see this woman shop, see him own shop, wetin him go do? That's okay o, I go still talk because me I no know. When he call me say he know say my program just newly start, because he dey na officer he come dey follow me now, because many of them I get many friends, ladies friends for Nigeria, they call me most, they tell me this, but I no be the type wey come dey do all this video. But at a time now I come say okay, since I no dey get advice to give them, and all of them they be my mom, now I dey call them my godmothers. I no know where I want for start to dey advise. So now I come say okay, I go dey do am for video. Anyone wey call me, anything wey dey talk, me go do am for this video, so that my loving people and my friends now they go join me, see comment, they go pick for inside. Sweetie, waiting now. Just give me some minutes. I'm done. Just some minutes. I'm coming. Just some minutes. I'm done here. Let me just do this now. Please, darling, please. So my people, I beg, anyone I decide that they wanna let me know. Wanna put the comment below there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. I love you all. Share and like, okay? All right now, see you next time. Love you. I beg, anything where you reason about this matter, if na for her to go the ayelala go swear, or may leave the thing, everything for God, or may she say she wants to pack comot for that place, may she pack comot. Anyone wanna suggest, I beg una keep on a comment below, she go pick for there. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye. See you next time. Mwah.